Welcome to a quite sunny Wimbledon station. Now I'm joined by my friend Amir.
Hi.
Amir.
I have no clue where I am.
He has no clue where he is or what he's doing. Did you know London's TRAMS?
No, I didn't. Is it really?
Yeah.
Really?
Let's go ride some trams. Here we are walking to London trams at Wimbledon station. He's never been on a London tram in his life.
Minor changes to some of our services.
Wow, that was a close one. We got on just in time. So we're gonna take this one to Morden Road, then we're gonna bounce back to Dundonald Road, then down to Merton Park, then back up to Wimbledon. This is the cab.
Let's do a cab tour.
That's the cab of the tram.
It looks like we have...
Tons of buttons.
Yeah.
It's a cool view. And everything's green. Even the seat maquette is green. So welcome to Dundonald Road. But we're not getting off here. We'll be back here in a moment. Welcome to Merton Park. We'll be back here again too. Oh, get on the tram. We'll be back here again. This tram is going quite quick. It's our stop here. Merton Road. No, not Merton Road. Morden Road. There we go. Welcome to Morden Road. We actually want that tram. Come on. We want this tram. Wait, Bailey. Level crossing. Let's get on the tram. No. Next stop is Dundonald Road, which is stop 2. Oh, there's a fire truck going over the level crossing ahead. So there you go, that's leaving. On the Regatta line.
On the what line?
Welcome to Dundonald Road. No. £1,000.
How do they know?
Welcome to Dundonald Road. It's a comically named tram stop, probably. The next one, we need to switch platforms. So, I hope you wonder too, but we wonder, what does Dundonald Road have? And the answer is Dundonald Road has
A card reader, a shelter, a help point, a departure screen.
I mean, there's nothing here, which is not a bad thing, but there's absolutely nothing. Oh my gosh, that sounds horrid!
Paper. This is going the wrong way.
I know.
Are we getting on it?
Yeah.
Why are we going the wrong way?
We're going to Merton Park.
Why are you holding onto the handrail?
Welcome to Merton Park. Oh, let's walk over one of the barrow crossings. Yay, let's do a barrow. I just realized that they have a barrow crossing here and a barrow crossing here. Are there usually 2 barrow crossings, or is it usually just one? That's the way some picture on the camera, I think. From Wimbledon. Thank you for watching this very short video. Thank you for watching this short video.